Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do beard coloring at home with the beard dye. Before we start, I just wanted to let you know that it's essential to trim your beard before coloring it. If you need some guidance on how to trim your beard at home, check my previous video for a step-by-step tutorial. Now let's take a look at the beard conditions before coloring it. Since I'm often in the sun, the hair on my beard burns out and turns an ugly red color. You can see it right now. It's hard to show it on the video, but in the real life it looks far from black color and there are also some gray hairs. Together with ugly red hair it looks really bad, so beard coloring will significantly refresh my look. Coloring will also help me to hide any imperfections and color differences, as well as give my beard a nice updated color. I'll be using the Just For Men beard dye in this tutorial, as this is one of the most known brands which is specifically creating products for beards. It is essential to choose the correct dye for your beard. Using a woman's hair dye can damage your beard, so never, guys, never try using it. They are formulated differently and may contain harsh chemicals that can weaken the hair structure and cause breakage or irritation, so always opt for a product specifically designed for beard coloring. It should be marked as beard hair dye. Now let's see what we have in the box. Let's open it out. As you see, the box contains two different sticks as well as instruction and the special plate where we can mix all these things. Also, they put a gloves, so we have everything that we need to start coloring of our beard. So this is a full set. You do not need to buy anything additional, just use all that goes with this box. Now let's start our preparations. Also make sure to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for the best results. For this dye we need to mix the ingredients in a ratio 1:1. But for different brands, the instructions may be also different. For some brands you need to mix 1:2 ratio, for some another things. So please always read the instruction that is given by the manufacturers. Now we need to mix all this stuff together, so let's do it very quickly. Let's mix everything up. Now we need to apply the dye to your beard using a brush. I always start with the line of the beard on the cheeks and the contours of the beard, after which I move on to coloring in the rest of the parts. Also, guys, consider wearing old clothes or clothes that you don't mind, because the dye can get on them and ruin your clothes. Be patient and take your time. The process of coloring a beard takes some time, and hustle in this matter is not the best solution. Be careful and make sure that all hair is evenly covered. I also want to talk about important topic, and as far as I know, many people often assume that hair coloring is a practice exclusively to women. But it's essential to dispel this myth and recognize that it's absolutely okay for men to dye their beards too. In fact, a large number of male celebrities and influencers have embraced beard coloring, making it a popular grooming trend among men. Coloring your beard can have a range of benefits. It not only gives you a fresh new look, but also significantly boosts your confidence. If you have any gray hairs in your beard, dyeing can help you to achieve a more youthful appearance. Moreover, beard coloring can be an excellent way to express your personality and creativity by experimenting with various shades and styles. Now, important warning, don't forget to use gloves, as I did. Also, keep wet wipes handy, and if you notice that the paint has gone beyond of the beard at some points, be sure to immediately wipe it gently with a napkin before it has time to dry. Once you have applied the dye, set a timer for the recommended processing time, which can be found on the package. Again, it is essential to follow the manufacturer's instruction for consistent result. For this brand, it is recommended to wait up to 5 minutes. If you have a very long beard, then you can wait up to 10 minutes. But I don't recommend you waiting more than 5 minutes because your skin will be colored as well. So the best time is from 3 to 5 minutes. Once the time is up, rinse the dye from your beard using a warm water and a gentle shampoo if needed. Avoid using hot water as it can strip the color from your beard.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm done with washing, so now let's check the results. As we can see from the results, my beard has transformed into rich black shade and all the red and gray hairs have vanished. This beard coloring process has successfully given me a refreshed, polished and more better appearance. Coloring your beard at home can be a cost-effective and convenient alternative to visiting a professional salon or barbershop. With the right tools and techniques following my guide, anyone can achieve a stunning and well-colored beard that boosts confidence and elevates the overall look. Now let's look at the result up even close, and let's also compare the look and the color of the beard before and with our current result. Just look how much the color has changed and how much fresher and better the beard looks now. It's boosted significantly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and now you have all the knowledge to do beard coloring at home. If you'd like to purchase the Just For Men beard dye I used in this video, you can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment to let me know what you think about that. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.